Story. Happiness is the ability to be grateful. My name is Daniel Miller. I'm 23 years old and I live in a small town in Ohio. I am a student, but I also work part time in a coffee shop. Many people say life is all about running after success, money, and big dreams. But I have learned something very different. I have learned that happiness is the ability to be grateful. I didn't always think this way. A few years ago, I was not happy with my life. I used to complain about many things. My phone was old, my clothes were simple, and I didn't have enough money to buy the latest shoes or gadgets. Every time I opened social media, I saw other people with expensive things. That made me jealous. I thought I could never be happy until I had everything that they had. One day, something happened that changed me. It was a cold winter morning, and I was walking to the bus stop. On the way, I saw a man sitting on the sidewalk. He looked tired and hungry. He was holding a small sign that said, "Please help me. I need food." I had only $5 in my pocket, but I gave it to him. His face lit up with a big smile, and he said, "Thank you, young man. You don't know how much this means to me." That moment touched my heart. I realized that the man was so grateful for something so small, just $5. For me, it was not much, but for him, it was hope. That day, I learned the real meaning of happiness. It is not about how much we have, it is about being thankful for what we already have. After that day, I started to practice gratitude. Every morning when I wake up, I say thank you for my family, my health, and even the little things in my life. I am grateful for my warm bed, my simple breakfast, and the chance to go to school. I also write down three things I am thankful for each night before sleeping. Sometimes it is as small as "I had a good cup of coffee today," and sometimes it is as big as "I got good grades in my exam." Slowly, I noticed that my life started to feel lighter and happier. I didn't care so much about what other people had. Instead, I focused on my own blessings. My parents are alive and healthy, my friends support me, and I have a roof over my head. These are gifts that many people in the world dream about. One weekend, I decided to visit a children's hospital with a few of my friends. We carried small toys and books for the kids. When we gave them the gifts, their eyes shined with happiness. Some of them were sick, but they still laughed, played, and said thank you. I realized that even in pain, people can choose to be grateful. That experience made me even stronger in my belief happiness comes from gratitude, not from things. So, today, whenever I feel sad, I remind myself of that homeless man's smile. I remind myself of the children in the hospital. I remind myself that happiness is already inside me if I learn to be thankful. My dream now is not only to earn money, but also to spread this message. Happiness is the ability to be grateful. I believe if more people practice gratitude, the world will become a kinder place. People will argue less and help more. We will see each other as humans, not as competitors. For me, life has become more meaningful because I understand this simple truth. So, if you ever feel unhappy, just take a moment to look around. Think about what you already have. You will see that happiness is closer than you think.
10 important words and meanings from the story. Word 1. grateful, meaning thankful for something. Example 1. I am grateful for my family. Example 2. She felt grateful when her friend helped her. Word 2. Blessing, meaning something good in life. Example 1. Good health is a blessing. Example 2. His children are his greatest blessing. Word 3. Journey, meaning the act of traveling from one place to another. Example 1. The journey to the city took 3 hours. Example 2. Life is a journey with many lessons. Word 4. Peaceful, meaning calm and quiet. Example 1. The park is very peaceful in the morning. Example 2. She enjoys reading in a peaceful place. Word 5. Hope, meaning a feeling that something good will happen. Example 1. I hope to see you tomorrow. Example 2. The doctor gave the patient hope. Word 6. Share, meaning to give part of something to others. Example 1. I will share my lunch with you. Example 2. They shared happy stories at dinner. Word 7. Simple, meaning easy, not complicated. Example 1. This recipe is very simple to cook. Example 2. He wears simple clothes every day. Word 8. Energy, meaning the power to do work or activity. Example 1. She has a lot of energy in the morning. Example 2. Running takes a lot of energy. Word 9. Kindness, meaning being good and caring to others. Example 1. A small act of kindness can change someone's day. Example 2. He showed kindness to the old man. Word 10. Lesson, meaning something you learn. Example 1. The teacher gave us a new lesson. Example 2. Helping others taught me an important lesson. Great job! You have just learned 10 useful vocabulary words. Remember to practice them by making your own sentences. The more you use them, the better your English will become. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.